Call data right now, so I'm finna go ahead and wash it right quick. I'm gonna pick up the camera whatever, whenever I'm done washing it. Get y'all a little cold start right quick. I know I've been gone for a month and whatever, but yeah, I was back at it on the grind, back on the YouTube grind. We're gonna stay consistent for sure this time. I got y'all on the content. So y'all stay tuned, y'all stick by, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. I'm finna go and clean up the whip and I'm gonna pick up the camera when I'm done. Finished washing it. I'm so tired, son. It's hot as a bitch outside. I'm finna pull this bitch in the garage, though. It's hot as a bitch. Just watched my mom car too, so I had to finish mine and I had to stop doing what I was doing. Then I had to go wash her car. Man, hey man, y'all let me know if y'all want some sliding videos, spinning videos, man. I'm finna start back popping out. Finna start back going to car meets and stuff. And yeah, this bitch finna be starting turning up. Finna start turning up, man. I might go take my resonators off today. I might. I'm finna call them right quick and see what they on, see how much they'll charge me to take my resonators off to make this bitch louder. But y'all stay tuned for that. Really, it might be in this video, so instead of calling, man, we're just gonna go pull up and see how much he'll take the resonators off. I called 2 other people, but they wasn't well, they answered the phone, but they was texting. Dude said $200. I'm not finna pay no $200, so that shit chop. Finna I guess I'll give y'all a little view, a little drive, or whatever on the way there. But like shit, if you talking about a good price, probably like $80 or $100, then yeah, I'll do it. But ain't no resonator supposed to be over like $100. So we're gonna see about that. Gonna see about that. Alright, y'all, we made it. We're at the Muffler shop now. I ain't see nobody out here, but I'm finna grab my key. I'm walk in here and see the money. Yes, oh, that nigga straight left that bitch. Nigga talking about 160 just to take off resonators. Man, niggas must be out they fucking mind, man. Crazy. Ain't that fucking serious. Yeah, traffic bad as a bitch right now. Say y'all, look, man, I'm finna go on y'all. Go ahead and get y'all a POV drive. Nigga ain't doing nothing else. Finna go to the crib. Got a little slight headache, so I'm finna go back to the crib and lay down. Oh, I'm tired. I need me a nap, bro, but I'm chilling right now, y'all. It's hot. It's hot outside. It's 87 degrees outside, so I want to roll down the windows for y'all so y'all can hear it and everything, but I got a headache right now, and I just look at y'all POV drive. Look, y'all can see the clouds in front of me look like it's finna rain, so I'm finna try to hurry up and get to the crib, cause I'm gonna be one mad soul if raindrops start falling out the sky. So hopefully it don't start raining on me until I get to the crib to put the car in the garage, cause when I get to the crib though, I am not leaving back out. And sorry for the y'all, man, really, what the fuck is you doing? Niggas can't drive out chill. They cannot drive out chill. Oh, I forgot what I was even saying. Oh man, look, I know what I meant to say. I'm sorry for the, you know what I'm saying, the absence. Shit, nigga wasn't posting for like a whole month. My bad. Yeah, I had other shit. I had a lot of other stuff going on. Focusing on working and doing all type of other stuff.
My shit all black though.
I have matte black on this coat with hard.
Man, I'm doing matte black rain.
With
Where the Demon Springs at?
With the motherfucking ham,
Why the fuck you ain't eat it cold? Got them Catless mids. Oh, you must already took them bitches out. The Demon Spring. Oh, here they go. Here they go right here, over yonder.
The motherfucking ham. Baby, what the fuck you warm up a sandwich? Shit ate cold.
Biggest B in the cut, you heard?
That game.
Rob and blew his shit up. Where's keys at? Start it up, see what it sound like. And now you gonna fuck that bitch up.
He don't got his keys in. I got it. Oh, what that?
Rob need to do the insurance claim. Look at him fucking up something. Boy, got the cat beans on that bitch. Grab it, Trey. That bitch loud, motherfucker. You don't know where to go, huh?
Oh, that boy shit broke straight.
Ooh, that boy got them Demon Springs on that bitch. Yeah. Hey, put that bitch in the custom mode. Man, that bitch sitting right now, boy. Come on, man, so we can leave. Nigga done shook this bitch back like it's never left. Motherfucker.
Yeah. I'm a suspect, nigga, I'm witness. He a cap trap nigga, ain't flip shit. Make a bitch have sex for revenge. I'm a real little nigga, I'm pay for his little cuz, do it just say did it.